Master the art of single-choice selections in your Webflow forms by learning to integrate radio buttons seamlessly, a crucial step for precise user data collection. First things first, open your Webflow project and navigate to the page where you want to add your form in the element panel on the left. Locate the Forms tab here. You'll find the desired radio button component. Simply click and drag the radio button component directly onto your existing form. You'll notice it appears as a group, ready for customization. Now, let's configure the group. Select the radio button group itself and head over to the Settings panel on the right. The name field is vital for your form submissions. It's how you'll identify this group of options. Give it a descriptive name, like preferred color. Next, we need to define the individual options. Select one of the radio buttons within the group in the Settings panel. You'll see fields for label and value. The label is what your user will see, so make it clear, such as blue. The value is what gets sent to your backend. When the form is submitted, it can be the same as the label or a more concise identifier for blue. We can set the value to simply blue. Ensure the required toggle is on if users must select an option from this group. Repeat this process for each additional radio button. You need to add as many options as your form requires. Always setting a clear label and a corresponding value, you can easily add more radio buttons by clicking the plus icon next to the existing one in the navigator. Once you've set up all your radio button options and their respective labels and values, your radio button group is complete now. Users on your live site can select just one choice from this set of options, providing you with clean and targeted data. And there you have it, a Circumflex Euros, a functional and user-friendly radio button group added to your Webflow form. Enhance your website's interactivity and gather valuable user preferences with ease.